Thank you for joining today's AI session. As a CEO, you interact with AI every day, from finding the most wanted book on Amazon to using Google Maps to optimize your travel routes, and even now, we are using Zoom's AI companion to summarize our training session. Since AI influences our lives and work greatly, have you ever paused to think how accurate its decisions are and why the model made that prediction? I'm Jennifer Lee. Today I'm going to explain a powerful tool in explainable AI. It's called LIME, which stands for Local Interpretable Model Agnostic Explanations. Before introducing LIME, I want to start with the two main types of AI models, white box model and black box model. White box model is transparent. We can know its decision rules and trace exactly how it works. Linear regression and decision tree are two most common white box models. For decision tree, it works like a tree of choices, where each branch asks a simple yes or no question until it reaches its final decision. Imagine you need to decide how to get to work. You might start by asking about the weather. Is it rainy? If yes, you may want to Uber directly to the workplace. If it is sunny, then do I have enough time to walk? If not, I may be late for the meeting. Then we may decide to take Uber to work. As you can see, a white box model's logic is clear and interpretable. We can understand exactly how the model makes decisions and what factors drive them. However, in today's world, black box models are far more widespread and influential in our lives. For example, ChatGPT and Tesla's image recognition systems use deep neural networks, which are typical black box models. These models are excellent at prediction, but their internal decision logic is hard to understand. This is an issue, especially in high-stakes fields such as healthcare, finance. Imagine you are asking your doctor why he made a particular diagnosis. You wouldn't want them to say, "I don't know. That's what the AI model said, right?" That's why explainable AI is important. Explainable AI is important because it makes AI decisions transparent, interpretable, and explainable. All of them are crucial for AI safety and building public trust. Among the explainable AI techniques, there is one method that is widely used, that is called LIME. LIME helps us peek inside the black box model and understand what is driving the model's decisions. Here is how LIME works. First, it makes small changes to the input data, and then it observes how the model's predictions change. Based on the observed new data, LIME builds a simpler, interpretable model for that specific prediction. And then it analyzes which factors most influence the output. The reason why we use LIME is because, first, it works well with any model, from simple regression to complex deep learning models. Second, it explains models' individual decisions. For example, why that medical diagnosis was made, why our loan request was denied. Third, it helps us detect bias and errors, improving trust, fairness, and transparency in AI. So, as a CEO, when should you consider explainability of AI? It is whenever your AI decisions will significantly affect people in this society, especially in some high stakes and regulated industries such as healthcare, finance, insurance, law enforcement, and hiring. So, what should we do? Here I offer three suggestions. First, set the strategic direction. Make explainable AI part of your company's AI vision and roadmap. Second, strengthen AI compliance. You can build an AI governance structure that ensures fairness and explainability. Third, invest in your people and infrastructures. You can train your employees to understand how the explainable tools such as Lime work, and you can allocate more resources to build systems that ensure AI decisions are clear, traceable, and human-centered. That's all for today's AI session. Thank you for listening.